How to use Generative fill tool without using Photoshop. These are the examples. First of all, go to your browser, then type the URL like this and hit enter. Let's see, there are 6 different generate options. These I select the second option, Generative fill. Here we see some example images. But I select my own image, so go to the folder, select this image, drag and drop my image. Here I want to change the background first, so hit the background option below. At first this AI tool removes the background of the image. Now I type studio, that meant I wanted to add a studio background, and hit on generate option. Here this tool takes some time and give the result like this. If you are not satisfied, you can select more for more images. Again, it will take some time to give the result. Now I need to change to another background. So hit on cancel and this time type park. That means we need park background. Hit generate. Cool. Let's see the images.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you want to download this image, just hit on the download option in the right corner. It will download the image like this. Now is the time to see the final result.